Okay, y'all, so here is the final look. Look at the movement. Okay, hello. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Rashawn. Today's video is brought to you by Beauty Forever Hair. They sent me this unit to try for you guys. Now, before I show you guys how to perfect and naturalize your closure wig install, yeah, it's a wig. Make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. On and washed her wig. Listen. Who am I? Okay, I feel brand new today. This is with no product, just the wash. Okay, I used my dish soap first, and then I went in with my wig shampoo to help with that, you know, the rest of the smell. And it definitely helped a lot. I rinsed the hair until the water was clear. Not cloudy, clear. And then I just laid her on my towel and blow dried her really quick. So no product on the hair. This is how she is looking. I actually kind of like that look, if I'm, you know, being honest. So we're just gonna kind of spruce that up, but we can work that out with the swirlies in a second. Pat that in. Because this is a kinky curly, the ends can look real peasy real quick. So I gotta first put the mousse all over. Let's not waste the product, okay? This joint not cheap. Work that into the hair. Help with the frizz and the shine. Y'all know my head is big. If the wig is too tight, it'll start to push back on its own. Hope I don't gotta spray it down. This is what the hairline is looking like. I don't like that. Go ahead and just brush that back. Hold on. I don't like the peasy look. This is definitely Big Hit Associate. It's looking a little square. Let's just pull this back. Make sure I look up. Make sure that's blended under there. And I think we are done. Okay, y'all, so here is the final look. Look at the movement. Okay. I did go back in and fluff up my hair a little bit more, and I also went back and cut this hair a little bit shorter for like a bang look. Not that Beyonce bang, just to give me more movement around my face, and I like that a lot more. Pop on and go. Yes, ma'am. Still glueless all the way around. I think she looks good and natural. I have no complaints about this wig. Oh, actually, wait a minute. The shedding. I was still getting shedding on my wig when I was doing the defining process, and I was a little taken aback by that. So to alleviate that for me, I will be practicing low manipulation on this wig. That means I'm gonna wait a year before I wash it again. I don't want to lose any more hair on this wig. It's supposed to be 180. It just feels light. Maybe because it's clean. I don't. But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Beauty Forever for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below. So if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.